Well, I think the first question is who's the we, of which we made the same mistake. Speak. It says, how did we find the 12 most pleasing notes out of infinite notes? I think the question itself is moving within certain assumptions, or it's not asking who the we is, and it's assuming that the number of notes is simply infinite. I mean, it might be given arbitrary deduction, the tones, but yeah, and I don't know. I mean, you have the 12 notes in the scale. Why not? I mean, some convention of proportion ratio. I mean, and who finds them? Just a blind we unspoken, or musicians as such. And probably I don't know. I mean, I don't know if the Greeks spoke of music or knew about music the same way as the moderns did. The different scale is more of a modern European invention as well. So, yeah, I don't know. And I mean, the we is unanswered, but how do musicians find the notes? I mean, the question also assumes the action is this finding. Why isn't it that the notes come to us, or why isn't it that the action between us, or really the musicians and the notes themselves, the raw material, maybe. Why isn't it the action between the two parties is itself more important than showing? It's like asking how the bleep did we, find the sun? Well, it's shining. And it's not right there. It's the most impressive shining being. It's not impressive by its spatial location because you see it in the sky. You don't actually know where it is. The dominance of the where question is actually subdued by the brilliance of its whatness. What it is, it's a star. It seems to be brighter than the other ones. And maybe I would suggest that, music as something is, and much the tree is something. A tree is wooden, but different trees are. They're complete things. You can say, oh, well, no, they're just examples of the woodenness as such. Like grapes are an example. No, they're just an example of the calories as such. It doesn't really matter that they are this kind of grape that produces this kind of wine. No, no, it's all about the general things, the calories. Oh, they have carbs, there's carbs. I think that's stupid. It's an excessive love of homogenization. That's, of course, the root of the spatial science. It talks of mass, energy, and whatever. But it's for prediction of motion. Once you don't want to predict motion, you want to make beautiful music. When the goals change, the science changes.